Explosion. We have a noon cannon.
30 seconds. Plug your ears.
30 seconds.
That is amazing! That is epic!
That's better than beep beeper, isn't it?
Woo! Bam!
All right, folks, so we just heard 3 orders exchanged by these sentries here.
A different view of another part of the Citadel, and this is where the park staff park. And there's the back of where we are. Gentle Mom. And I've taken you around that side and that corner. Heads up, you guys, they're gonna fire. He's gonna fire a musket. It is quite... Yeah, look below.
We're just sitting on a wall.
Yeah, it's a blank, what they call a blank. It's more sound than anything. No, I don't suggest it, but can you lean over and see it a little bit? No. It's more kind of vibrates off the wall than it does anything. The noon gun was worse. Like a million times worse. Getting final instructions.
Much larger than it's a hard lead plug behind the software receiver.
1, 2.
Which is not a good range.
That's really good shape.
Let's get that open and get going. Ready over there with the camera?
They close your ears.
You ready? Bam! They might shoot it one more time and they might shoot it twice, depending. Probably one more.
I think we're doing something. I should, Mom. I can't find them. I can't.
Stellar. So as you can see, I've made it back to one of the very first spots that I came, and now I could say in 3 visits I have visited the entire Citadel, every corner of the ramparts of this Citadel. Wonder what's going on. Let's go see. So I'm actually standing in the Moat, which is a parking lot. And I have had amazing adventures at Citadel Hill, not only once, not only twice, but 3 times. This is pretty amazing. From Halifax and from the Moat at the Citadel Historic Site, I wish you wonderful adventures. We're stuck in the Moat. Haha. No, it's a red light. That means traffic can potentially come at us. So, as we are, this is the longest red light ever, preparing to go. Here we go.